Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about Zootopia 2, one of the most anticipated Disney animated movies. After the massive success of the first Zootopia, fans have been waiting for years to see Judy Hopps and Nick Wilde return to the big screen. So, what can you expect from Zootopia 2? Who are the new characters and how will this new adventure change the city of Zootopia? Let's find out. Judy Hopps is back as one of Zootopia's most respected police officers. Meanwhile, Nick Ward has come a long way from being a small time con artist to becoming a real police officer. The dynamic between Judy and Nick was one of the best parts of the original movie. In the sequel, their friendship and partnership will be tested like neither before. Reports suggest that this time Judy and Nick will face a brand new mystery. A strange reptile character arrives in Zootopia. This newcomer brings secrets, conflicts, and a series of unexpected events. As the investigation continues, our heroes discover that the case is far more complicated than the first thought. The first movie showed us different districts of Zootopia, but in Zootopia 2, Disney is expanding the world even more. Viewers will get to see new locations, new cultures, and new animal communities. This will make the universe feel bigger and more adventurous. Every great sequel needs memorable new characters. Disney has already teased several new animals. These characters will bring new humor, new drama, and new challenge. Some of them may become allies, while others could become dangerous opponents. The original Zootopia was more than just a fun animated film. It talked about prejudice, understanding, and unity. Zootopia 2 is expected to continue these powerful themes. The movie may explore trust, teamwork, and the importance of accepting difference. Fans love the original movie for its smart humor, great characters, and message. That's why expectations for the sequel are extremely high. Many viewers want to see more of Judy and Nick's relationship. Others are excited to discover new secrets in the city. Disney animation has improved dramatically over the years with today's technology. Zootopia 2 is expected to look absolutely stunning. The character details, lighting, and city environments will likely be more realistic than ever. One thing that made the first movie special was its humor. From the sloth scene to Nick's clever jokes, the movie was filled with laughter. Zootopia 2 is expected to deliver plenty of funny moments for both kids and adults. Beyond the action and comedy, Zootopia 2 could also teach important life lessons. It may remind us that cooperation is stronger than division. It may show that friendship and understanding can overcome almost any obstacle. So is Zootopia 2 worth the hype? From everything we know so far, the answer looks like yes. With Judy, Nick, new characters, new mysteries, and Disney's incredible animation, this could become one of the biggest animated movies of the year. If you are a fan of the original Zootopia, this is definitely a movie to watch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.